Changing security settings on your Degiro account is essential for ensuring your investment information remains safe. Follow these steps to adjust your security settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Degiro account. Visit the Degiro website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account or Settings section in the main menu. Click on it to access various account management options. Step 3. Select Security Settings. Within the Account Settings, find the Security or Security Settings option. This section allows you to manage your security preferences. Step 4. Update security preferences. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Save changes and log out. After updating your security settings, ensure you save the changes. It is a good practice to log out of your account to secure your session. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and enhance the security settings of your Degiro account. Always remember to regularly review your security preferences to keep your investments safe.